Hello everyone, today we're going to do the presentation for LifeStory Health Disabled Differ Visualization Application. Presentation by my teammate Kuncheng and I, Jingyi Liu. Here's our agenda. An introduction to the company. LifeStory Health is a bioscience company in nation precision medical through diagnostic biomarkers and high-resolution mass spectrometry is used extensively in proteomics to identify and quantify proteins relied on by LifeStory Health. And also, LifeStory Health and its researchers rely on proteins found in blood to provide early detection capabilities for various diseases, include Alzheimer's and several types of cancers. And then we used R language, R Studio software, and R Shiny package in our project. For our project is to improve and update the image comparison applications for the company. And also our objective here is two and multiple images comparison, color change, auto differences visualization with sensitivity, image save, image scale matching, and also plot window loaded image cleaner. And here is what we look like when we do our application. Goes very quickly, and we're gonna show how to use the R Shiny apps by Kuncheng.
So here I'm gonna show you how to do this application and to compare images. First of all, you can choose the disease you want, the Alzheimer or any other cancers you prefer. So we're gonna use Alzheimer as an example, and then you can choose the number of images you want to compare, and the number has to be larger than 1, right? Because you cannot compare an image with itself. So first of all, you can import any image you want, and let's pick one, and you can see that it will show on the graph. Also, you need to import another image, and it also will show here. Then you can click the compare button. The two images will be shown on screen, and another one will automatically be read. But as you can see, they are not in the same scale, both in the x-axis and y-axis. In math, you cannot compare two images if they are not even in the same scale, because the result can be totally inaccurate. So we have to adjust that. You can use those 4 slide bars, like the horizontal, vertical, zoom, and translation. And horizontal zoom will let you to do like that. It will be longer, and this will be shorter. And for here, we just do like that. And you can click on the left and right button on your keyboard to adjust that if you think you cannot slide them smoothly. And here. Now this looks better, right? Like here the 2E8 matches to 2E8, and there need to be more translation for the vertical. Now it looks that they are kind of perfectly matched. And after that, you can click on this auto box mode button, and you can see that the model is turned on, and now you click the compare. The graph will be automatically compared. So if there is a significant differences between images, the app will draw a box and it will be displayed on screen. And also you can use those slide bar to change the sensitivity. The sensitivity means the differences between those two values for the graph. If you use like that, the sensitivity to be very small and the similarity to be very small, like it kind of shows that the total graph will be circled in a rectangle. So This is totally decided by the user. And after that, if you think this image is what you want, you can save that with any file name you want. For example, here we just input anyone we prefer. And you can find that locally. This is just the image you just got before. Let's go on for the multiple image comparison. You clicked here to clean all the graphs will be cleaned, and you change the number here. We just, for example, use number 3, which means that you need to insert 2 more images to compare with this image. Let's choose that. For example, also this one. You click compare, and you think they are already matched. You record the setting. Here, all those 4 values will be recorded, because for different images, you need different Roman translation if they are in the different scale. So you need to record each time you import an image. Let's import another one. This one. At the bottom of the application, you can see that you have loaded how many pictures, and this area will show the most recent image you imported. And for here, you click compare again. This is the last one image you imported, and you can see that the scales are not the same. So now you need to change those 2 values again to make them match. And here. Now it seems that they have matched. Now you record the setting, and now you can see that you have loaded all pictures. Now you can get the result here. The graph will show that all the pictures you loaded. Unfortunately, for the multiple graph comparison, you cannot use the auto compare mode to create the boxes automatically, but you can do that by hand, and you can create any numbers of boxes you want. And after that, you can also save that, like what we did before. Now you can find that. That's it. All things have done, and please notice that once you want to do another comparison, you have to clean all the images and reload all the numbers. Thank you for your patience. Now let's get back to my partner Jingyi to conclude.
And for the conclusion part, the advantage of our project is the users can compare images having different scales accurately. Differences between 2 images can be automatically displayed with sensitivities, and the desired comparisons can be saved for further use. Users can have cleaner comparison with easier and cleaner use. And the disadvantage of our project has multiple comparison cannot be automated. Not all functions can be applied to other diseases due to the image's scale problem. The app is not intelligent enough for best user experience. And here's our reference, and thank you.